If not, if you're using your belt, just make a nice circle with that belt on the floor, anywhere like that. And our warm-up's going to involve our belt. So, our first one today is just doing side steps round the belt. So we're going to face the belt, and here we go. Just keep listening. When I say change, now we go the other way. And change. Go on a bit faster. Change. Okay, this time now, turn our backs to the belt, and again. Go. Change. And change. And change. Okay. Next one. Jumping in, out, and back. Let's go. Middle, out, in, and back. And again. And back. And again. And again. That's it. Let's go. Going in and out. And in and out. Okay, this time. In the middle, and aside. And left to right. Okay. Okay, last one, hardest one. From here, let's go middle and out and back, back to the middle, and now left and right and back, and again the front, middle, back, into the middle, left, middle, right, and back, and again. And relax. Okay guys, you should be warm now for doing all that jumping. The next one we're going to do is place both our hands in the middle of the circle. And this time moving our body round, keeping it in our legs. And change. Change again. And back. And back. And relax. This time, feet in the middle of the circle now. Feet in the middle, hands up and moving round on the hands. And relax. Okay, moving on now. We're now going to move on to some pad work for this week's work. We realise that a lot of you won't have these types of pads at home. If you have, fantastic. Don't worry, watch the techniques, and then at the end we'll show you how you can improvise to do these at home. Set number one, just a straight left and a right. Okay, the person holding the pad, once the person gets used to hitting it a few times, vary the length of how long you keep these pads together, because what we're trying to work on as well is your reaction speed to the pads opening up and then back again. Don't keep it the same time all the time. Okay, number two, nice and easy again, just a left, right, left. Good. Okay, this time we're working on the two hook punches. Ready? One tip, whoever's holding the pads, when you do this one, please don't put the pads like this. You take a chance to get hit in the face. Have your pads slightly away from your body. Okay, this time it's left uppercut and right hook. So we're here, we put one pad down and one ready for the hook. Good. Remember, once you've done that side, change, use the hooks from the other side. So you practice left and right. Okay, this time it's a little bit trickier now. We're going to do 2 hooks, followed by a bob, and then the uppercut and the hook that we've just practiced. So from here, we go here, hook, hook, duck, uppercut, hook, and again. And again. And again. And one more time. Okay, last one. This one is bob, then 2 uppercuts and an elbow. So it's from here and it's this. And again. Good, and relax. Okay, the other alternative is, if you can't get helping you, just use empty hands. So don't hit them too hard. I'm just going to go here. And the hooks. And the next. Okay, this last little exercise, you don't need any equipment at all. This one is purely a hand-eye coordination and speed and reaction exercise. Please take it carefully. We're going to show you it really slow, and then we'll show you it done a little bit faster. All we start off with is with our hands crossed. First of all, the front hand, it jabs, and then back fist the other hand. And now you change hand, jab and back fist. Jab, back fist, jab, back fist. So the jab is through the hands and the back fist is to the hand. Through the hand and back fist the hand. Through the hand, back fist the hand. Through the hand, back fist the hand. So this time now we're going to do it a little bit faster. Right here, just gradually build your speed up. Don't try to start too fast, just let the speed come. Good. Okay, this technique is a straight arm lock. It's a slightly different variation to what we teach in the syllabus. The syllabus way of doing the straight arm lock is this way. Lock here, control, step through, and lock here holding the gi. The problem some of you students have doing that way is that if you're a lot smaller than the opponent, after we do the technique here, this is very hard to sometimes get over if the person's tall. A way of someone smaller doing it on a tall person is this way. Is to block, to hold, but let the arm slide, come straight round behind the elbow, lock it into your own wrist, and now just apply pressure up, straight behind the elbow. Technique again, non-syllabus, from 2 straight punches. So 1, 2, move, push, come underneath, control here, punch and strike. Okay, this technique, from a grab and a punch, move and block, strike, push into the elbow joint, come under, transverse the hand onto the shoulder, come round the throat and choke. Same technique from the other side.